Spooky. Start talking. Wait, hold. Oh wait, never mind. Go. Wait, never mind. Wait, hold. Oh wait. Oh.
Hello, everybody. My name is John N. Sprecher, and I'm the principal integration engineer here at Onkla SXC. What engine are we firing? Um, we're firing engine. We're firing. We're firing engine EN61 to right 61. We're firing engine EN61 today, and we're currently T minus. Um, we're currently T minus 9 minutes 30 seconds. The countdown has not been very nominal so far. The weather has been 0% go for most of the countdown, but it appears it's gone up to about 40% go. Now we've been getting the mission prepared for about 2 minutes or hours, 2 hours. And as you can see, we have the vehicle on the pad with the lightning tower surrounding it, and it is on the concrete. I thought it was going to be on a test stand. That's what I was told. Now, so far, into the countdown from 10 minutes, we've been proceeding nominally. Once again, my name is John and Sprecher. As you can see, the Onkla SXC EN61 engine has a fuse coming out of the top of it. That's how it gets its ignition to start. The fuse is ignited by an SD standard igniter, which is used to ignite most model rocket engines, but Onkla SXC is too good for that. Now, today this launch is observed by a Canon Digital Rebel XT, a Sony RX100, and a Nikon D3400, which I believe is what we see this live view from. We have just gotten confirmation that that's where the live view is coming from. Now, the countdown milestones for today will be at around T minus 10 seconds is the only milestone, which is ignition of the fuse that will ignite the EN61 engine. Now it'll take about 10 seconds to burn through that fuse, and then the engine will ignite and fire for about 6 to 7 more seconds. Very nominal. What? Now, previous issues in the countdown mean that we might not get an ignition of the EN61 engine today, but if we don't try, we'll never find out. The weather has not been very good lately. It's been raining for most of the countdown, which may have caused water to get inside of the engine, which will cause a failed ignition. Now, on-class XC motors are not known to be the most reliable out there in ignition, so it might happen. As you can see, we're zoomed in at almost T minus 7 minutes. Do I really have to do this for 7 minutes? Gotta write something down. Now you can see at Onkla SXC first, lightning towers are now present on the launch pad. This will prevent any damage from happening to the engine due to lightning hitting it. As you, I don't think you can see it, but the engine has an astrocam on today, which will get a beautiful view of the plume facing directly up. You can see it on the top left lightning tower. Thought it was on the engine. That's what the Onkla SXC CEO said, but clearly that's not true. And I got some on-site mics.
You guys hear
Very
the
nice.
crickets and me?
Thought it was on the I've been told to start talking, but I don't know what to say.
Since John the Sprucky Bucky commentary sucks, he is being a poopy fart nugget. We are currently gonna play an advertisement for a dead company called Excella Space Industries.
No! No! This is John and Sprecher invading the advertisement. As you can see, Ian the Space McClintock is a little poopy head. He's promoting a company that's been dead for about a month straight. Off nominal. You see his ugly off face? He doesn't know how to run a company, and neither did the CEO or the founder. Off nominal day.
Indeed. Okay, we are back.
Thank you very much for watching that advertisement. We are now back to the live views of the Onkla SFC EN61 engine. We're getting ready for main engine ignition. T-minus 420, nominal day. Did you know that the SpaceX Starship has 33 Polaris V10 engines on it, producing over 3,000 meganewtons of thrust? This will bring it to an altitude of 43 billion kilometers when it launches in the late 2023. Now, as you can see, the Onkla SXC motor is getting ready for ignition at T-minus 3 minutes 47 seconds. Now, 10 seconds into the countdown, 10 seconds after T0, we don't know what's going to happen. It might not ignite. It might ignite. Oh, we never know. Now, after the engine ignites, we're expecting shutdown of the engine, as it's solid, and it'll shut down. You're expected to stay online or not? What? So as I just heard from the commentary director, John and Sprecher, which is myself, we're going to have 4 seconds of nominal burn, which will be maximum thrust of the Onkla SXC motor, and then 4 seconds of tail off at the end, similar to when a space shuttle SRB separates and it still keeps firing out of its booty hole. Now, as you can see, we're within 3 minutes. This means that LOX loading is finishing up. Now, this Onkla SXC Merlin engine is getting ready at 2 minutes 30 seconds. As you can see, the lightning towers are not receiving any lightning right now, and that astrocam is going to get amazing views. We're going to have some red teams head to the pad. It appears that we need to start some cameras. There's the red team. And you see turning on the astrocam there. Within 2 minutes of the firing of engine EN61, nominal day. T-minus 1 minute 45 seconds. T-minus 1 minute 30 seconds. Ground gas closeouts. And at T-minus 45 seconds, we'll get the final LD go for launch, and the vehicle will get armed. Charger. T-minus 1 minute, it appears that the Onkla SFC motor is now finally in startup. Seconds. And 45 seconds. LD appears to be go for launch, or test, whatever, same thing. T minus 30 seconds. We passed 33. T minus 21 seconds.
It's armed.
T minus 15 seconds. T minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. We have ignition of the fuse! Let's get ready for the static fire. Engine should be igniting in about 2 seconds. And a beautiful ignition of engine EN61! Holy mackerel! T plus 33 seconds! Holy mackerel! That was a lot of thrust! Now, as you can see, we're T plus 40 seconds. The engine performed normally throughout the whole burn. T plus 45 seconds. It appears that was one of our best burns ever. This is proving reliability of the Onkla SXC motor, even in windy, wet, and rough conditions. And see that the CEO needs to charge his camera to get a battery grip. Now it appears we're stopping the Astrocam. And it appears we have forgotten to press record on the Astrocam, and it recorded no footage. Great already. 1 minute 30 seconds. That's amazing. Today was one amazing day for Onkla SXC. We successfully static fired our engine EN61, and now we are done with this test and ready to move on to the next engine, proving more reliability for our series of engines that will soon propel every model rocket in North America. This has been John and Sprecher. Thanks for watching Onkla SXC.